Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about keywords and questions answers of chapter 6, that is changes around us. So first keyword is irreversible change. A change that cannot be reversed is called an irreversible change. Example, breaking of glass. Next keyword, physical change. A change where no new substances are formed is called a physical change. Example, melting of ice. Next keyword, chemical change. A change where new substances with different properties are formed is called chemical change. Example, rusting of iron. Next keyword, contraction. A shortening or reduction in size is called contraction, and this is the example of contraction. Next keyword, evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor, and this is the example of evaporation. Next keyword, expansion. Expansion is defined as act of getting bigger or something added onto something else, and this is the example of expansion. Next keyword, melting. Change of a solid into a liquid when heat is applied is known as melting, and this is the example of melting. Now questions answers. So first question is, to walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? Answer, yes, it can be reversed by unfolding the dress. Now question number 2. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This is a change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? Answer, no, this change cannot be reversed because breaking a toy is an irreversible change. I cannot regain the same toy. Now question number 3. Some changes are listed in the following table. In this table, for each change, write in the blank column in this column whether the change can be reversed or not. So first change is the sewing of a piece of wood. Answer will be no. Next change, the melting of ice candy. Answer will be yes. Next change, dissolving sugar in water. Answer will be no. Next change, the cooking of food. Answer will be no. Next change, the ripening of a mango. Answer will be no. Next change, souring of milk. Answer will be no. Now question number 4. A drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change? Answer, if the drawing is made by pencil, then the change can be reversed by rubbing the picture with an eraser. Now question number 5. Give examples to explain the difference between changes that can or cannot be reversed. Answer, changes that can be reversed. Example, melting of ice is a reversible change. Explanation, water can be turned into ice by keeping it in the freezer. When ice cubes are kept at room temperature, they turn into water after some time. Now changes that cannot be reversed. Example, burning a piece of paper is an irreversible change. Explanation, the burning of paper is an irreversible change. During burning of paper, the paper burns to produce ash and smoke. Now question number 6. A thick coating of a paste of plaster of Paris or POP is applied over the bandage on a fractured bone. It becomes hard on drying to keep the fractured bone immobilized. Can the change in POP is reversed? Answer, when water is added to plaster of Paris, it sets into a hard mass. Thus it keeps the fractured bone in its place and prevents it from moving while it heals. That's why a thick layer of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage to keep the fractured bone immobilized. Now question number 7. A bag of cement lying in the open gets wet due to rain during the night. The next day, the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? Answer, cement after wet and dried, it will be harder. It cannot be retained to original. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा।